3, 2, 1, go. 40, 1 right. 130. 1 left, continues for 80. Into 3 left. 150. 1 right, continues to 150. And 60, 3 left. Into 1 right, continues to 150. And 4 left, half long. And 60. 3 left. 40, 1 right long. And 60 down. 3 left into 4 right. And 2 right long. 40, 1 left. 100 down. 1 left into 6 right. And 3 left, don't cut. 200 down. Turn, hairpin right. 130. 3 left over crest. And 5 right. Into hairpin left long, tightens round bail. 80. 3 right, tightens into turn, hairpin right. 100. 3 right. And 40, 3 right. And 40, 3 left. And 60 over crest. Into 2 left, continues to 100. And 4 right cut. And 200 up middle. Small crest into 5 right, tightens through dip. $100. 4 left long, don't cut. $150. 150. 1 left. 80. 1 left over small crest. And 40. 2 right. And 43 left, don't cut through dip. And 1 right over crest. 130. 3 left. And 2 left, continues for 80. It tightens into 4 left. And crest into 5 right in. Opens to 1 right long. 100 down, 4 left late. And 60, 3 left. 170. Small crest, 40, turn, square left, don't cut. And 3 right. And 60, turn, hairpin left neat. And 2 right. And 1 left over crest. 250. 3 left. And 4 right, half long late. 80. 1 right. And 80. 6 right. Into 4 right, opens. Continues to 100. 80. Hairpin left, opens, neat. 200. 1 right over crest. And 60. 1 left long over crest. 130. 6 right long, tightens loose. And 40. 6 right, tightens over crest in. 40. Hairpin left. Into 5 left. Into 5 right. And 2 left. 40. 1 left half long. At 60, 2 right tightens over crest. 40, 1 left over crest. And 2 right long into 4 right, don't cut. 150. 1 right long. There's 1 right long. Okay. 170. 1 left. And then 200, chicane, turn right. And 250. Crest bump, 100. 3 right through posts. It's a turn, hairpin left. $80. 1 left. 150. 3 left. And 40. 1 left into 2 right. And 40. 5 right, don't cut. Into 4 left. And turn, hairpin right. 40. 4 right, tightens into 6 right. And hairpin left. Into 6 right, opens long. And 6 left. Into 5 right, opens, don't cut. Into 2 right, long opens. 60. 1 left over crest. 100. 1 right through bump. And 40. 2 left. Into 5 right, tightens at tree. Into 6 right late. 60. 2 left. Dip into 2 right half long. And 40. 3 left long over small crest. 170. 3 right. 170. Hairpin left neat, don't cut. 150. 5 right. And crest, 40 down, 6 left long. And open hairpin right long. And 60. 3 right, tightens over crest. 40. 2 right. And 46 right. 130. Turn, open hairpin left neat. And 3 right long. 40. 5 right into 3 left, don't cut. And 4 right opens long. 100. Small crest into 2 left and 2 right. Continues for 100. Into hairpin left, tightens. 80. 2 left. And 40. 3 right half long. and 40, 4 right, and 3 left. Into turn, hairpin right, tightens. And 60. 3 left, don't cut. Tightens into hairpin left. And 6 right, opens long. 80. 1 left. And 60. 6 right, tightens long. And 3 left. And 1 right long. And 40, 1 left over small crest. 80 over small crest, 4 left. And 150 through finish.